Halo guys, good
Hello.
afternoon.
Halo,
Halo, halo, halo, halo.
halo.
Oh, how are you today? You look
Oh,
good.
fine,
I'm
thank you.
fine, yes.
I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
How about you?
Yeah, I'm really good actually. Maybe I don't know. Yeah, I'm good. Thanks. Long time no see you all. We are in online again. Yeah, maybe we can meet each other in real life for often, but also in online learning like uh, in at the moment at now in the Google Meet. So we will discuss um, about Muhammadiyah, the role of Muhammadiyah in developing our nations. So yeah, we give our opinion about that. We discuss it, and yeah, we will discuss it. Maybe from the first, from Ramis, from you, maybe what do you think about this?
Okay, so Islam teaches humans to spread virtue as a crystallization of servant reflection on human values. This virtue is one of the foundation that Islam is present on earth to be a blessing for the universe. Therefore, from a social perspective, Muslims are agents of change who must continuously spread virtue in the midst of social life in order to create progress in civilization. Departing from the above, the internalization of human values must be must be a core part of idealism of the Islamic organization movement so that progress reflects virtue does not manifest itself in badness.
Okay.
That's all for me.
Yeah, that's good. From my opinion, the virtues given to fellow human beings are called social virtues, in which the main factor in the emergence of developed society is the presence of a sense of social care. When social virtues are manifest in daily practice, happiness is not only when we get what we desire as a form of individual virtue, but lies in social happiness that was collectively craved by Indonesia's founders. From Muhammadiyah perspective, in the perspective of Muhammadiyah, Indonesia is a house in which the Muhammadiyah organization occupies one of the rooms, so there is no reason for its citizens to be absent in realizing progress for the nation and state. The Muhammadiyah organization is engaged in the realm of solutions to publicity, nationality, and humanitarian problems, not being trapped in lowly practical politics because it is very unproductive for the humanitarian movement that the organization promotes. In other language, Muhammadiyah reconstructs the life of the nation, strengthens love for the Republic of Indonesia, and places Indonesia as a field of competing in goodness. Because for Muhammadiyah, NKRI and Pancasila are understood as Darul Ahdi wa Syahadah. Muhammadiyah embrace and practice Islam rests on the idea of moderatism or a middle way methodology, thus placing Indonesia as a ground for humanitarian values movement, a field for compassion and spreading social happiness. Maybe that's all from me. Next, maybe from Yarmin,
Yes.
you give your opinion.
In my opinion, with this the progress of the Indonesian national in the realm of economy, social, education, law, politics, and culture is able to sustain the progress of the Indonesian Muhammadiyah. An ideal like this can only be realized with movement that refers to the foundation of progressive Islam praxis. The progressive Islam praxis movement aims to free, empower, and advance the life of every element of the nation. The term progress implies the community of movement, creativity, progressivity, sincerity, and welfare of the people as from of love Indonesia. This is also manifestation of the word of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Verily, Allah does not change the condition of people, so that they change the situation that is themselves. Surah Ar-Ra'd 13:11. Humanitarian movement Malik ibn Nabi, a social philosopher from Algeria, in book entitled Building a New Islamic World, say the problem of progress and decline of civilization is left of determined by three main problems, namely human problem and time problem. In the Indonesian context, this also apply when practicing humanitarian movement for advancement of the nation and state. That's enough for me.
Okay, that's good. From Nanda, maybe from you.
I think the goal of managing humans land in time effectively, efficiently, precisely, and according to sustainable principles, then the progress of civilization has a positive impact on the welfare of inhabitants. For this reason, the text of Muhammadiyah in Indonesia is to fight for land and time to run continuous, so that the civilization we build is sustainable, progressive, and sustainable for the benefit of the people. In the ways can manage land time in a sustainable manner. Yes, by uh, Astaghfirullahaladzim. Uh, and I think yes, by creating human research, higher of the humanitarian practice movement, so that human research can manage the Indonesian to create a developed civilization in the context of the progress of the Indonesian nation. Muhammadiyah use charity-based organization movement that is that 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 is that is progressive and adhere to the teaching of cosmopolitan Islam, so that is independent, non-man and anti-nation, but anti-nation states, but as far as independent social movement. Uh, there Therefore, the capital Muhammadiyah has earned the title of citizen who are open to diversity and advancement with the government for the advancement of the nation of part the nation states of Muhammadiyah family is expected to be able to be to be able to show their national spirit in becoming Muhammadiyah. Okay.
Okay. The last one, Riga, your opinion?
For me, I think Muhammadiyah will remain at the forefront in advancing the nation from various backgrounds, becoming the glue of the nation divorce, and then making visionary and useful decision in establishing itself in the national context in the future. When Indonesia is experiencing social, economic, education, and political problem, Muhammadiyah during its 110 years of presence in the country has established thousands of charities to help the poor. For example, orphan, hospital, uh, education institution, banking, or even empowering the poor. This is the proof of Muhammadiyah role for the progression of the Indonesian nation. And the involvement of Muhammadiyah in advancing the Indonesian nation is a national responsibility and proof that Muhammadiyah has nationalism that is beyond doubt. This spirit was born from the historical patriotic awareness in which since its inception, Muhammadiyah cannot be separated from its three main program, which is namely education, health service, and social service in Indonesia. I think that's all from me.
Okay. Oh, that's really good for you, from you all. Yeah, maybe the role of Muhammadiyah is really, really big for Indonesia. So, yeah, we just keep to do for Indonesia, especially for our country, do the best for the future of Indonesia and for Muhammadiyah too. Yeah, we are in the campus of Muhammadiyah, so yeah, just do the best for your life and your people that supporting you. And yeah, maybe it's all from us, guys. Any more from you all? Something that you want to say?
No, I think that's enough
Maybe
from me.
No. Okay. Amin, are you from Thailand? Are you in here?
Yeah, I'm from Thailand, but I'm still in Sukabumi.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I will visit Thailand later soon. Okay, in Patani.
Okay, inshallah, inshallah.
Yeah, we are, inshallah. Okay. Enough for today, guys. For this afternoon. Yeah. Keep safe for you all. Stay safe, stay healthy everywhere, anywhere, and everywhere you go. So we will meet again in campus, but I don't know when. We hope that we can go offline class again. So yeah, we can meet with each other and talking at each other again. So yeah, that's all for me. Especially, thank you guys. Keep spirit. Be stay away, stay positive. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you all.
Waalaikumsalam
Salam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wow.